We have all been there, trying to squeeze a project into a tiny enclosure only to realize the development board is just too large. It is a common frustration when you are designing wearable tech or remote sensor nodes where every millimeter counts. This is where a more compact solution like the M5Stack StickS3 comes into play. It is an upgraded controller that aims to keep your builds clean and professional without cutting back on the processing power you actually need for your IoT projects. At its core, this board features the ESP32S3 chip. This move to the S3 architecture is a meaningful shift, offering better performance and more peripheral options compared to older, smaller modules. It really helps when you are running multiple tasks at once. One of the standout features here is the 8 MB of onboard memory. Having that extra space means you can handle more complex firmware and larger data logs without worrying about running out of room for your application code. Because of its design, it fits perfectly into projects that need to be mobile. Whether you are building a small environmental monitor or a remote interface for a smart home system, it is a very practical, low-profile choice for developers. Connectivity is usually the heart of any IoT project, and this controller provides a solid foundation. You should check the documentation to see how it aligns with your specific sensors, but generally, it offers enough flexibility for most common communication protocols. Before you commit, just take a moment to confirm that your existing software libraries are ready for the S3 chip. Sometimes, updating your environment is the only hurdle, but it is better to know that upfront before starting your build. Looking at the current market, it is priced around $49, which is a decent value given the performance jump. It is often listed with a significant discount, so it is worth checking the latest price to see if it fits your budget. If you are tired of bulky boards and want something that balances size with serious specs, this might be a great addition to your toolkit. It is not for everyone, but for those pushing the limits of small-scale IoT, it is a solid contender. If you are interested, head over to the product page to compare the different variants and confirm the pricing. Taking a look at the technical specs will help you decide if this is the right upgrade for your next project.